So, hope everybody is doing good. A beautiful day has come again. Every day gives us a new chance, isn't it? It brings some newness, the energy of newness with it. And today is not just an ordinary day, it is 999 portal. Very, very powerful day. The number nine itself is associated with powerful endings, all right, completions. So right now, as I had given the message and the messages I have been giving, is like, pay attention to everything speaking to you right now, whether it is mother nature, whether it is your own body, your intuition, your own emotions, your own feelings, your gut feeling, was it what it is telling you? Yes. Your pains, your aches, what are they telling you? All the discomfort you're feeling right now, what is it telling you? Because this is the time to powerfully end it, because you have completed a karmic cycle or something. Some area of your life is absolutely complete now. So you need to just reflect, what was it teaching you? So you were not only going through something just like that, there were powerful lessons attached to it. And once you complete something, you learn so much from it, isn't it? We all learn so much, and we don't have to forget those learnings, because it is as if something is whispering now that choose again. This is the time to choose again. Now, what are you going to choose this time? So, take all the uh, pearls which you have collected through your lifetime so far. Yes, whatever the precious, the wisdom you have collected, the precious things you have collected, the learnings you have collected, that will help you to move forward. That is something which will make you go towards the right direction, make right choices for you, because now you are more aware than ever before. If you have completed something and you're still lingering with that energy, yes, don't know how to move forward, so remember very strongly, it will be cut off now, because it has completed, it has served its purpose. So willingly let it go, thank it, forgive, thank, be in gratitude, be in forgiveness right now. And one more very important thing is number 9 is associated with the service, and also just a second. Yes, so number 9 is associated with compassion and service also. So how are you going to be in service to the planet now? This is what you have to choose again now. All right, it's like you have completed certain lessons, you have taken the karmic wisdom with you, and now pulling everything with you, whatever you have got, now what are you going to create? So it's a beautiful energy which is motivating you to create something new. Also at the same time, you cannot create something new until and unless you end this. So powerful day, ready to release all that you have ended, the lessons you have learned, you have completed successfully with all the learnings gained, ready to move forward in new energy, making new choices, this time from the heart. Yes, this time wiser than ever before. This time you're more compassionate, and this time you will be choosing love. Everybody will have to choose love, because nothing else can give that strong foundation now. Nothing else will give the strong foundation other than love. Right? So be in self love, because self love is the portal to everything you have ever wanted or desired or dreamt of. All right, so very beautiful message of this 999 portal. And let us set very strong intentions, because 9 is associated with strength, lot of power, lot of strength. All right, and that is why very strong intentions you can set today for your coming days, for your beautiful new life. I would say it's a beautiful new life, the new turn you're taking. Maybe this turn is not going to come again, and what you choose right now, be very careful, because your entire future depends on that, the choices you make now. So that is why be a very good listener now. All right, listen carefully to your body, to your emotions, to your feelings. Listen carefully to the nature, the animals, the birds, the plants. What is everybody trying to tell you?